Hi YouTube, I'm going to be showing you around the park. So I'm going to be going round there where that caravan is, so let's get going. The phone might get a little wet because it's raining, but that's all. So here it is, I'm just going to walk you around. Look at these beautiful flowers. Did you see that? That was a rabbit, I'm being serious, I just saw a rabbit. These rabbits here are very friendly. Here, look at this. So we're going to, what? You see that? It's right there. Now if I come here, you can see it's so we're going to be walking this way for a bit. Look at these flowers. Aren't they so pretty? I love them because they're my favourite flowers now. So as I'm walking through here, you can tell that I'm in the park. Very sunny. It's been cloudy most of the time. It's been changing ever so slightly. So if you're asking who I am, my name's Charlie, Martin and Jenny's granddaughter. We're making a video. So as we walk down here, I'm going to take you to that bit over there. I'm just going to show you all these beautiful flowers. So like, look at these ones. Those ones are there. There's so many of them. They're really, really good. And I just love it here. The best view. We've got cows, sheep, birds, rabbits, butterfly, bees. We got all sorts of nature animals. And we got rabbits, of course, because you should do the rabbits. And just because we have, they have a bee thing, and I wanted to show you. Let's see if you're interested, just to see if you're interested in any of it. Here crows, we're almost there, guys. Just hanging. Hello, Mr. Crow. I'll fly away in a minute because I won't be there. Look, we have beehive. They have beehives for the bees. So they have this one. That's for, I think that's for the baby bees. And there's these three here. I know, really weird, right? And then there's some more animals around here. They're very kind. And they're harmless, really. I was here, I came here yesterday. So, please subscribe to our channel. If you subscribe to us, we'll subscribe you back. It's a long walk, but it's worth it, I promise. Put down that like, thumbs button. And we'll be there. Beautiful day we got. All the way from there, all the way around there and here. Well, I was going to take you down there, but then I'm not allowed. I don't know where it leads to. So, I'm going the wrong way. Silly me. I was going to go straight down that way. So, you see that the farmer only cuts like the walking bits, not like the long bits. So then people know where to walk their dogs and where they can walk. So like they can walk down here, they can walk down there, they can walk round there, where I just was. I hope I didn't see that. Okay, I'm sorry. Being on the camera, just taking you to these beautiful flowers. I mean, look at these. Ain't they so beautiful? So I'm walking back now. Myself, I'm almost there. It's like I started here and I walk all the way around in a circle. Walking back to the caravan. Could spot some rabbits, little baby ones. See that one there? I think that's one. Yeah, it is too. Walking back to our caravan. Ours is this one. Bye guys, I'll talk to you later. Peace.